Hey everyone, and welcome back. As content creators, this one's for you. In this video, I'll show you how to manage your entire YouTube pipeline from script to publishing ClickUp's free plan. First, create a space called YouTube channel or content. Production. Inside, create a folder for your current month or quarter. Then, create a list called video pipeline. Now, set up your workflow. Create these status columns in your list's board view, idea, script, filming, editing, thumbnail scheduled, published. Each video is a task. Drag it through the stages as you work. Use custom fields to track details. Add a video. Topic text field, a target length number field, and a publish date field for scripts and docs. Great ClickUp docs. Create a doc for each video script and link it directly to the task using the @mention feature. Do the same for thumbnail. Design briefs. For your publishing schedule, use the calendar view. Set the task due date as your publish date, and it will appear on your content calendar. You can even create subtasks for steps like write outline, record voiceover, and add end screen. And that's it. You now have a visual, organized command center for your entire content creation process, completely free. If you set up this pipeline, let me know your channel name in the comments. See you in the next one.